Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to send documents to multiple signers sharing a single email address in BoldSign. You can send documents to multiple recipients when signers are family members, business partners, or team members sharing an email address, and they can access and sign documents without needing separate email addresses for each individual. Let's consider a scenario where a legal advisor is tasked with sending a property inheritance agreement to two family members for signature. These family members use a shared family email ID for important communications. Instead of requesting separate email addresses, the legal advisor sends the document to their shared ID using BoldSign. Each family member can then review and sign the agreement individually, ensuring a smooth and efficient signing process without unnecessary delays. There are two methods a legal advisor can use to send documents to two family members who share the same email address in BoldSign. The first method involves using a signing order, while the second does not require a signing order. Let me first show you how the legal advisor can send a document using a signing order. The first step is to access the BoldSign application. I click the Create New button and select the Create New Document option. This action navigates me to the Prepare Document for Signing page. On this page, I upload the agreement form that needs to be signed by the recipients. Next, I go to the Add Recipients section and turn on the Signing Order toggle. This allows me to set the order for each recipient to sign the document. Enabling the signing order ensures that each recipient signs in the correct sequence, preventing errors that may occur when entering the same email address and avoiding confusion in the signing process. I then enter the details for each recipient using the same email address. It is recommended to clearly specify each signer's name to avoid confusion. The signing order can be rearranged if needed. Once done, I carefully review the remaining sections and click the Next button to proceed to the Configure Fields page. I select the signer from the Assignee drop-down menu and assign the required form fields. I repeat the same process for the next signer. After reviewing my changes, I send the document for signing. The signature request is sent to the first signer for review and signature. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how signers using the same email address complete the signing process. As shown before, a document was sent to the shared email with the first signer's name. When I click the Review and Sign button, I am navigated to the signing page where only the fields assigned to the first signer are displayed. I complete all required fields in the first signer's section and finalize the signing process by clicking the Finish button. Immediately after the first signer completes the document, another signature request email is sent to the same email address, but this time it is specifically for the next signer. The second signer can now review and sign the document by clicking the Review and Sign button to navigate to the signing page. The details filled in by the first signer are displayed. The signer provides the required data and completes the signing process by clicking the Finish button. When the signing process is completed, a confirmation email is sent to the shared email containing the signed document and audit trail as attachments. Next, let me show you the second method of sending a document to multiple signers sharing the same email address, but this time without a signing order. I click the Create New button from the dashboard page and select the Create New Document option. This takes me to the Prepare Document for Signing page, where I upload the document requiring signatures. Next, I move to the Add Recipients section. Here I enter the signer's details. I use the property name and enter the shared email. I check the remaining sections and click Next to proceed to the Configure Fields page, where I set up the form fields. The document contains sections for each signer, so I drag and drop the required form fields onto the document accordingly. After reviewing my changes, I send the document for signature. The document is then successfully sent. Let's switch to the signer's side to see how the signing process works when there is no signing order. A signature request containing the signing link is sent to the common email. Here, any signer can start the signing process. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I am taken to the signing page. I can review the document and the form fields in each signer's section. I enter data in the form fields assigned to my section. Before entering my signature, I set it to reflect my name by typing it in the name field. I can also draw or upload my signature. Then I need to save my changes and forward the signing link to the next signer to provide the required data in their section. To do this, I click the More Actions button to see the drop-down menu and choose the Save option. A pop-up appears, confirming that the document has been saved successfully. Next, I copy the signing link from the email and share it with the next signer using my preferred messaging app. Let me show you how the next signer can complete the signing process. I paste the signing link here and am taken to the signing page. Here I can review the document details, and the previously filled fields by the first signer are also displayed. I enter the details required in my section. Once completed, I click the Finish button to finalize the signing process. If there are more than 2 signers, this process continues. Each signer saves their progress and forwards the link to the next person until everyone has completed the document. That summarizes how to send documents to multiple signers sharing the same email address in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.